Alright guys, just a little trick on when you walk around these areas that has like sand and wind and everything for your lens. Alright, right there. Shower caps. Get them at the 99-cent store. Perfect. Alright, now we can walk. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Beautiful morning. I am heading out south of Jersey, a place called Sandy Hook. I went there 2 weeks ago and I spotted like 5 or 6 ospreys and 2 eagles, so I already know where they are. So I figured I'd get up early in the morning. It's beautiful. I'm gonna head out there before it rains and see if I could take some nice pictures of it. I'm taking you guys along, and let's see if we can make this a fun day. Alright guys, just made it here to Sandy Hook. Not a big line like last time I came here. So a couple of weeks ago I came here just to scout out, because I know there's a part at the end of the Sandy Hook that there's birds, you know. You go around and there's little birds, big birds, you know, anything you can find. So what happened was I was walking around the sand dunes and I spotted out, what is that? Is that a kite? Yeah. And I spotted out like 4 to 6 ospreys. And yeah, it was amazing. I mean, they were pretty far. I wasn't, you know, dressed for the occasion of going into the sand dunes, because I was just in like sneakers and, you know, dressy shorts and stuff, because I was just scouting out the area. But yeah, so took a couple of shots that were far away. So now, you know, got my hiking shoes on and everything, so I'm ready to go in there and see if they're still there. They should be there, because there's nests and also there's eagles. So I'm on my way down there now. I should be at the end of Sandy Hook in about maybe 10 minutes, and get my gear and head inside the dunes and go take some nice pictures. So yeah, anyway. Alright guys, so alright, just made it here. I'm gonna park and in a shaded area, and I'm gonna go see what I can find. Alright, I guess there's no shaded area. Yes there is, right here. Alright, and let's go take some pictures. Alright guys, we're here. I'm gonna get my gear ready, bring my bottle of water, and let's go get these ospreys and eagles. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, just a little trick on when you walk around these areas that has like sand and wind and everything for your lens. I don't know if you can see my lens right there, but let's darken this up a little bit. Alright, right there. Shower caps. Get them at the 99-cent store. Perfect. All right, now we can walk. So I am walking right now in the sand dunes. Ospreys I saw were that way, so I'm gonna try to walk to their nest because I know the closer I get, they're right by the water. So I want to see if they're flying around or they just like perched on their nest or on a tree. But why kind of hard walking. Oh, I think I see him. Alright, there's a trail here. So I don't know if I'm going to take this trail or that trail. Alright, I think the ospreys are there. I see their nest from here and they're perched on the nest. So I'm going to try to get as close as I can. I am shooting equivalent to a 600mm, so f4, so I should be good. I don't know if I'm going to come around or if there's a trail right there that I could cut across. So far so good. Yeah, I don't think you can see it, but it's all the way on the far end there. And I'm getting so much sand in my feet. Alright, this is gonna be a good day, guys. Haven't been out in a while. Haven't done a video in a while, but I'm gonna try to be consistent now since everything's getting back to normal. Alright. Let's see if I can find us a trail that could go right to it. Alright, let's go. Close to the nest. Hold on. Alright. I don't know if I could be here, but I'm gonna take the chance because I am pretty close. And hopefully it's there. But I'm gonna look around. Kinda windy, guys. Sorry if there's any wind noise. But I'm gonna set my camera up, see what we got there. If not, we're gonna move around, go around the other way. All right, be right back. All right, guys. I just got here. It just flew away. So I don't know. Maybe I should wait here. There's some nice sparrows flying around. Yeah. I mean, there's one nest here. I think he's moving. Is he back? No, he's not. So there's one more nest that way. I'm gonna try to walk that way because he was here and he just flew away. If it's not here, I'm gonna head back where there's like a big observatory deck, which is like 2-3 stories high. Maybe I can see it in the far distance because there's 3 nests here. So yeah, 2 weeks ago I got lucky and there was 5 of them flying around. So 3 of them, 4 of them were perched on nests, and 2 were on trees, and 2 of them were on the nest. So I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit, see if he comes back, or maybe he went fishing because the water is right there. So, and see what we can get. Hopefully they come back and we get some good pictures. All right, let's wait. And waiting pays off because it's here. There it is. It's pretty far, but he's coming. Hold on. Yep. That's it, guys. Alright, he's here, he's here, he's here. He's out by the water. I knew it. He was hunting. He was hunting. I'm gonna see if I could take video with my camera. There he is, there he is, there he is. He's coming. I got a couple of good pictures. I knew he left to go hunting and he just came around and it was perfect. I just got this camera, so I didn't set up the recording on it yet, but yeah, so he's back over there by the water. He's gonna go hunt and he's gonna come back because he's got a nest right here. So I'm gonna keep my eye out. So far so good. Alright, so hopefully we'll get an eagle flying by because there's an eagle's nest down that way. Yeah, see what I did? Okay, it's coming, it's coming. There it goes, there it goes. Alright, now we're gonna get action. Okay, no, now we got ducks. Okay, no problem. Alright, he's coming. He's right behind me. There he is, there he is. He came again, I got him. Okay, so he's circling around. He's got to be there. I'm going to move closer to that side. He's not coming to the last one. There's another one right there. So this is great. This is too nice. He's coming, he's coming. Alright, good. This is good. This is good. This is really good. Alright. Alright. I know what I'm going to do. I am going to move towards the water. Alright. And if anything, I can always get back this way. Okay, let's go. Alright, guys. Alright, I'm going to take this trail by the water because I think that's where they are. They're hanging out. They're fishing down there and they're bringing it to the nest. There's a trail right here, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll probably be in higher grounds so I could have the view of the water and then probably fishing, which is good. But so far so good. They're here. Now the other one, I don't know if that was an eagle, but it seemed like an eagle, like a juvenile. But I am very, very close to the nest, so I'm going to keep on this trail and yeah, because he's coming around the trees over there, so I'm gonna walk this quietly, get up there, set up, and hopefully get some nice action shots. All right, let's go. Just like I said, I come towards the water and they're here. But it was too quick. Alright guys, there's a couple of photographers there. Yes, and this is where they are because there's a little lake here. See? Alright, I'm gonna set myself over there where those guys are because I think they're getting some nice action pictures. So I'm gonna go hang out for a while because there they are, see? Beautiful. All right, perfect. I'll see you guys in a bit. Thank you. Heard him. Alright, came back around on the beach. They keep going back inside, so I might take a walk inside the woods again. This is a good area. I don't think they're hunting anymore, but he's coming around. He's over there, see? Yeah. I came up to the beach side just to see if the action was here, because I saw him flying towards here. And when I got here, it was very quiet. Anyway, I hung out for about like 20 minutes. A couple of gentlemen there that were watching birds, and they said they saw it going by. After he said that, the Osprey showed up, and it was good. I mean, I got good pictures behind me, but when he got in front of the sun, I can't guarantee that those pictures came out good. So, but it seems like they're hanging out in there. So I'm gonna go back to where I was, stay in my spot, because there is a nest there. There's also a nest here by the water, and stay for another hour and see what we can get. I'm sorry guys, but every time I put the camera on and I try to tell you guys about the Ospreys, they just end up flying right above me or in front of me, so I have to drop the camera and take pictures and try to take video. They move so fast. See, what happened is right now, this guy, so I'm gonna try my best to see if I can get video of it now. As of now, I've got tons of pictures of it, but also I just would like to get some videos and you know, get some video in action. So I'm gonna hang out here a little bit longer, because it seems like this is the area where they're gonna be, and fly around. So they're actually going down that way because there's water there too, and then coming back this way, and then they're heading down that way and coming back this way. So they're like doing a circle. I don't know if there's only one, or maybe that's it. See, there's another one down there. See, there's a bunch of them. So I'm gonna hang out here. I'm gonna try to get maybe in a little bit of a high grounds, and yeah, see if I can. See, finally got it. Hopefully it's sharp, but it's coming back again. It's coming back again. All right, guys, so no more action. Maybe they're perched somewhere. They're not coming back. I've been here for another 40 minutes and nothing so far. So anyway, I'm gonna head back to my car. All right, guys, anyway, that's it for today. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and I'll notify you every time I have a video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for today.